Hi friends, today we're in London and we're heading to one of the city's hidden historic gems, Wilton's Music Hall. We're on the train, heading toward Tower Hill Underground Station, which is right next to the famous Tower of London. Since we're traveling first class today with London North Eastern Railway, we get complimentary food and drinks included in our journey. And now we've reached Tower Hill Underground Station, the nearest underground stop to Wilton's Music Hall. And now we're outside the station. You can see people walking in every direction. The city already busy and full of movement. And from here, it's just a short walk to the Tower of London. You can already see the old stone walls coming into view. It only takes a couple of minutes, but the atmosphere changes quickly. As we've just crossed the Tower of London, we're now arriving near Trinity Square Gardens. Since we're already here, let's take a quick look around and catch a small glimpse of this peaceful spot before we continue our walk. From the gardens, we're now continuing our walk toward Minories. Minories is a historic street in central London, located between Tower Hill and Aldgate. And now, we're taking a turn onto Goodman's yard. After about a 10 to 15 minute walk from Tower Hill Underground Station, we finally arrive at Wilton's Music Hall. Let's go inside. And here we are inside Wilton's Music Hall, one of the oldest surviving music halls in the world. Inside Wilton's Music Hall, audiences once gathered to watch music, theatre, comedy, and variety performances during the Victorian era. Inside Wilton's Music Hall, many original features have been carefully preserved rather than fully restored. Originally built as 5 houses around 1690, this space was later transformed into the Mahogany Bar in 1828 by John Wilton, marking the beginning of Wilton's music hall story. Walking through these narrow corridors of Wilton's music hall feels like stepping into the past. The exposed brick walls and aged details quietly tell stories from centuries ago. This is the Wine and Champagne Bar inside Wilton's Music Hall,